Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart gift card on the Walmart app. First, open the Walmart app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your personal Walmart account. If you don't have an account, it's quick and easy to create one. Once logged in, you'll need to find the Payment Methods section, usually located within your account settings or profile. This is where you'll manage all your payment options for seamless shopping. Now that you're in the Payment Methods section, look for an option to add a new payment method. From the list, select Walmart Gift Card. You'll then be prompted to enter your gift card details. Carefully type in the 16-digit gift card number, which is typically found on the back of the card. Also, enter the 4-digit PIN, usually revealed by scratching off a silver strip. Double-check these numbers for accuracy before proceeding. Once your gift card is successfully added, you can use it for your purchases. After you've added all your desired items to your cart, proceed to the checkout screen. On the payment selection page, you'll see your newly added Walmart gift card listed as an available payment option. Simply select it, and its balance will be automatically applied to your order total. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can combine it with another payment method. Here are a few important tips for using your Walmart gift card. Always check your gift card balance before you start shopping to know exactly how much you have available. Remember, you can combine your gift card with other payment methods, like a credit card, if your purchase exceeds the gift card's value. If you experience any issues, such as an invalid card number or PIN, don't hesitate to contact Walmart customer service for assistance. Happy shopping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.